Representing Olongapo City, Province of Zambales, Philippines!
Latag sa malasot lang dagat at ang bayan niyang pinili nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangaakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Paradise is defined as perfect, flawless, and undeniably majestic. Welcome to 81 provinces, 17 regions, 7,107 islands. Welcome to my sanctuary, a place worth visiting for, and definitely for you to discover.
Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na tumutuyan sa buong pakiramdam.
Strategically located at Southeast Asia, which you can travel through land, air, and sea, constituted by 3 major islands, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.